to climb up the ladder of success is not very easy. It is difficult. One must do hard work. One must have great determination to reach the top. But after reaching there, to come down or fall down is very easy. A wrong act, a faulty step, the person is falling down. From the heights of glory, because there is a faulty step, the person is tumbling down and is lying on the floor, wounded and bleeding. How it happens? Because there was no alertness, there was no vigilance on his part. Imagine a person respected by everybody, honored by everyone, is in the glorious heights in his life. He is sitting there very pretty. And imagine he is thinking of something else, some sense objects outside. Nobody is going to know about it. Nobody is going to know about it. It is happening only in his mind. He is remaining there, even not even standing up and going out for getting that object. But he is thinking of a sense object outside. It could be a beautiful car, could be a good house, or a beautiful dame in the neighborhood. What happens then? This is the first step. A seemingly very innocent, harmless thought in his mind. But that mind, that thought will develop into a kind of attachment. Dhyayate Vishayan Pumsa. This is the step number 1. And Sangastheshu Bhajayate. Attachment. That is step number 2. Attachment means he wants to have that. He believes that that outside object is very much essential for his happiness. He develops a kind of desire for that. That intense desire, almost lust, he develops. Sangal samjayade kama. And if that lust or that desire is not fulfilled, what happens? Naturally, he becomes disappointed and frustrated, and he becomes angry also. Anger is such a, terrible enemy of human being. But unfortunately, he is in the grip of that anger. That is the 4th step. Kamal krodha bijayate. And imagine a man who is angry. Suddenly he becomes another person. He is deluded. Deluded means he loses the sense of right and wrong. Right is wrong for him, and wrong is right for him. That is krodhal bhavati sammoha. And what happens next? Sammohal smriti vibhrama. It leads to loss of memory. He forgets who is standing before him. That is my mother, he forgets. That is my father, he forgets. My wife, my children, my friend. He forgets everything because he is in the grip of a kind of delusion, which is the contribution of the great anger that is fuming inside him. And then this Smriti Vibhrama, this loss of memory will lead to Buddhinasha. Smriti Bhramshal Buddhinasho. His intellect is ruined. A man is his intellect. And if his intellect is ruined, there is nothing else to be ruined again. Buddhinashal pranashyati. That is a final blow. Buddhinashal pranashyati. Once his intellect is ruined, everything is lost. He is there, lying on the floor in a miserable fashion. He is perishes. That is what is happening. From the heights of glory, from the heights of grace, this man is tumbling down to this bottomless pit of disgrace because of a very minor, comparatively minor act, a comparatively minor thought, a seemingly innocent thought. But how it develops into a disastrous thing, and finally it takes away his life. This is known as falling from grace. So one has to be very alert and vigilant in each and every moment. That is the message. Thank you. Thank you very much.